Now it's time to zoom in and fix the eyes. Now let's zoom in a bit. So let's fix the eyes. So how we do that? Actually, it's very easy to fix the eyes. Let's go to adjustment layer and click on curves. Just drag this slider to the right. Right? It's enough? Cool. Now, make sure the mask is selected. Control Delete to fill it with black. Now press B on your keyboard. Make sure the foreground color is white. And slowly, I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Press B again and make your brush smaller. And just do something like this. The area between the eyes. That's all. Right, all we do. Nothing more. And let's do this, just squirrely things. I mean, just something like that. Trust me, it's just gonna be perfect. So there should be a gap between this and the eyes. Right? Like this. Now let's zoom back a bit. To see the both eyes, let's go to filter, blur, and gauge. And just take a look at this. You go to the right until we just match the eyes and kind of blend in together. A bit more. Alright, cool. Now, let's create another adjustment layer and curve. Again, drag this from top to the left. Right? Control Command Delete. Let's zoom in a bit. Press B on your keyboard. Make the brush very small, maybe 2. And do some lines, guys. Just small little lines. Cool. Now come to this side. Cool again. Now click on this icon to bring up the curve and drag this to the left a bit more to make the eyes brighter. Again, go to filter, but you have to come back to this layer. We can use this feather as well. I mean, there's no difference between this feather and the blur one. It's the same, so we might use this one this time. See that? Let's go to this one, and I think this is a bit too much. Press B on your keyboard, switch to X. This is black, and I'm just gonna paint that back. Paint that back. Put the bit in so create more lines. Just take a look at this one, guys. And I'm just gonna hold Shift, click here, Command Control G to group it. I'm just gonna call this eyes. It's not finished yet, but I'm just gonna show you what's going on. The before and after. Before and after. Alright. Now let's zoom in a bit. Go to this one, the first one. Press B on your keyboard, switch to X, and let's draw something. Some more. Switch to X.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh, this is nice too.
To you.
Maybe we can just.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Switch to X.
Merry Christmas. To you.
Now, if we take a look at it, it's just gonna be something very cool, right? Now, if you press Command and Control J again, let's see what happens. Just make this brighter. But right now, I'm just gonna play around with this one and bring it down. Very, very nice. If this is too much, just gonna turn that off. For this one is okay, but for this one is too much. I'm just gonna press V on my keyboard and X and just go over this. Just the right side. You see, we are playing around until we get the perfect eye color and eye match. Now, for the colorizing the eyes, just go to adjustment layer, click on hue and saturation. Just drag the hue slider to left and right. Right now I'm just going to keep it on green for now. And Alt Delete to fill it with black. Let's zoom in a bit. Press B on your keyboard. Make sure the foreground color is white. Make the brush size very small. Slowly start paint on the eyes. That's all. Very slowly, and just concentrate to don't go outside and don't paint on this highlight. Use it smaller. See if we can paint on this area. Very cool. Now let's go to this side and do the same thing with this eye. Alright. Oh, see how cool is that and how easy is that? Just paint on the eyes and come up with a different color. Alright, cool. Now, let's zoom back a bit. Bring down the saturation. Bring down the lighten. And the lightness is down. Now I can just play around with this until I get a perfect color match. For now it's fine. You see, in future if you want to change anything, we're just gonna come back and click on the hue and play around with this, and anytime we need it. Right now everything is ready for the final colorizing. Now let's go on and fix this area, divided area. Click on a new layer and just make sure the foreground color is white. Press B on your keyboard and slowly with a small brush, I'm just gonna go around this area and just paint white. That's all we do, guys. Just paint white and make sure everything is inside this area. We don't want to go outside. Very carefully. Zoom it up a bit so I make sure my brush size is a bit larger, and slowly I'm just gonna paint around this area. Alright, cool. Now the same thing here. Make the brush size smaller.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, cool.
Merry Christmas.
And this area.
Merry Christmas.
Here we go.
To you.
Same thing here.
Merry Christmas.
I'm just gonna paint it with white. That's all we do, guys. That's it. And then the easy part. Just double click on the right side, the layer. And let's go to blend if and underline layer. Hold on Alt and drag this slider to right. Now it's going to be divided. Drag it exactly to the right. Now let's zoom back a bit. Control Command minus. If it's too much, we're just going to play around with the opacity. Just going to come here. Just bring to the left side until so this is nothing. It means we have done nothing. Now slowly and gradually I'm just going to drag it to the right until I'm satisfied with the brightness of the color. So we don't want to make it too white. Now I guess around 50. It's perfect. I'm just gonna press OK. And everything is inside this folder, guys. See? Before and after. See how easily we have changed the eye color.